Question is, explain the mechanism and occurrence of cloudburst in context of the Indian subcontinent. Discuss two recent examples. This is a simple and straight question. We will start the answer with definition of cloudburst. The term cloudburst is used when there is sudden very heavy rainfall in a localized area for a brief duration. Technically, rain over 100 mm per hour or say 10 cm per hour in an area around 20 to 30 square kilometer is categorized as cloudburst. By this definition, 5 cm of rainfall in half an hour period over the same size area will also be a cloudburst. In Indian subcontinent, cloudbursts particularly happen in monsoon months. Most of these happen in Himalayan states where the local topography, wind and temperature gradient between lower and upper troposphere facilitate the occurrence of such events. To explain the mechanism of cloudburst, we will have to start with the mechanism of formation of clouds. Normally, the water vapors in the upper troposphere condense around condensation nuclei, that is, dust particles, and form water droplets. Massive collection of such water droplets form cloud. As the clouds rise up, they accumulate more moisture from the air, and water droplets keep on becoming bigger. If rainfall occurs at this stage, that will be a normal rainfall. However, when temperature is high, hot air currents are produced. In particularly hilly areas, the hot wind or say hot air currents are lifted up on one side of the mountain and they do not let the water droplets in the clouds to fall. These hot air currents keep the water droplets floating in the atmosphere. The hot currents provide buoyancy effect that does not let the water droplets in the clouds to fall on ground. The clouds further rise higher, they accumulate more moisture and the size of water droplets keep on becoming bigger and bigger. Ultimately, the water droplets in clouds become too heavy to float on buoyancy of hot air and they fall toward earth causing very heavy rainfall. This is what we call cloudburst. Heavy rain due to cloudburst often triggers landslides and flash floods, causing extensive destruction downstream. Now, let us see some recent examples of cloudburst. In May 2021, cloudburst in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand caused huge destruction. In August 2022, cloudburst in Tehri district of Uttarakhand caused death of 4 people. Death occurred due to rubble brought in by rains. Several shops and homes were also damaged. In August 2022, in Mandi district of Himachal Pradesh, 6 people were killed and 13 were missing after cloudburst triggered landslides and flash flood.